All right, we're at Burlington Coat Factory in Montgomery Village, Maryland, I think. Ooh, this thing is most certainly interesting. Let's see if we can get it to reverse pretty fast. There we go. So it looks like the cab looks nice. It's just very dirty and run down, and what is going on with the lights? I have a feeling this wasn't originally Montgomery. I feel like it was definitely a Westinghouse. Oh yeah, definitely a Westinghouse. Nobody's looking. And what's interesting is an up button, but no way to the third floor.